K here, also known as Married to Katie K. And I have a little visitor here. Ooh. Alright guys, this is my little visitor. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, look at that. Come on, try to take care.
And my name is Today We Made is.
So say today we're going to talk about love. Yes, so I'm going to show you guys some quick books and activities you can use to educate your preschoolers about love. I did this recently with the preschool group at our preschool homeschool group. So many words. And Mama's list is not helping. The preschool homeschool group. And I had a blast. So I want to show you real quick. So I'm going to let Princess hand me everything. So first thing I want to show you is the books. Will you please hand me a book? One book at a time?
Yeah,
this one. So this first book is, I picked this up from Mardell, from their clearance rack for 50 cents or $1. I think it was 50 cents though. And so it's really cute, and I Love You prayer. It's talking about God and just how we can thank God for showing us his love and how we can show love to others, ways that God loves us. So we're thanking you, God, for our home. We're thanking you for family. You know, we're thanking you that we can help others and others can help us and things like that. Can you hand me the next one? Thank you. I Love You Through and Through. This book right here is really, really cute. It's just talking about every part of you and how much, you know, it is loved by friends, you know, family. I love you, mama. I love every part of you. I love you when you're happy. I love you when you're not talking. I love you when you're sad and mad. This one? Good. Guess how much I love you. Now, this is available in board book, and they also have the regular size book. This is adorable book. The only thing that's annoying about this book is you have to say little nut brown hair 50,000 million gazillion trillion times. But other than that, it's a really cute story. And if you do not have access to this book, they have several people reading it on YouTube. And they also have a Guess How Much I Love You cartoon, but I have not watched it, so I can't vouch for it. But will you hand me another book? Will you hand me another one? Thank you. This one right here, the kids really enjoy. I Love You, Daddy. And it's just about a puppy, a boy puppy and a girl puppy. No, I'm recording. So you gotta go outside with that. So it's about a boy puppy and a girl puppy and how much they love their daddy. When they're happy, sad, mad, you can use this to talk about your emotions. You know, because I am not happy with your choices today, that doesn't mean that I don't love you, which is a big thing when it comes to parenting and a big thing when it comes to siblings. You're constantly going to be in disagreement, not, you know, butting heads, but you're not going to agree on everything. So we need to teach our children, especially believers, how to disagree like believers should disagree. We don't need to look like the world disagreeing. So that book is really good in discussing that. I Love You, Mommy. This book was given to us, I believe, by the, I want to say, yeah, like I said, the grandparents. This was given to us by my father-in-law, Pops and Mrs. Kemp, and it was given to us in 2007, before Bear was born. So this book is 10 years old, like my baby, I love. Okay, last thing, My Heart is Like a Zoo. And this book was really cute. First of all, the art in this book is so adorable. Everything is made of hearts. So it talks about, you know, my heart is like a zoo. And then it gets into the animals. A yak, you know, I think there's, let's see, caterpillar. But they made everything with hearts. So adorable, so adorable. That's it for the books. There's plenty more, but those are the ones that I shared and used during this time today. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you activities that you can do. This is just 2 quick activities. For the first activity, you would just need some construction paper and ink pad. And what you would do, this is a good sensory activity for little ones. You're just going to take their thumbs, or honestly you can do any finger, and just help them stamp it all over the paper. Ink, stamp, any little digits will do. Get these phalanges working. It's sensory. You're touching, you're feeling, how does it feel, that kind of stuff. They're learning their colors. This helps so many things. And you just write on there, thumb-body loves you. And you go to the blog post, you'll see a picture of this, but thumb body loves you. And I have my kids doing this. I even had the 10-year-old put your thumb on here. But I thought this was so cute because grandparents love gifts like this. This is good Mother's Day gifts for godmothers, aunts, things like that. This is really cute. So thumb body loves you. The next activity was really, really fun, very messy. I love messy art. So anytime that I have a chance to do a messy art project, I try to do one at least once a month at the house. And I love messy art. So you're going to just take one coffee filter. You'll need markers, and you're just going to mark. Color it, any color, any pattern. You want to go for kind of a no white space look though, because you want it to be all colored and filled in. Then you're going to cut it into a shape. Today I had them do hearts or any shape they wanted to. Some of the kids like honestly just nipping the sides of it. You can easily fold it all the way up and cut pieces from it and do like a snowflake. This would be really cool for that activity. But either way, then you're going to take your colored cut coffee filter. Come on now, colored cut coffee filter. And you're going to get your spray bottle. And then you're just going to spray it. Soaking wet spray it. So if you're doing this at your house, you're going to need to lay something down. If you're doing this at a school, I would definitely suggest you double plastic your tables and that you're going to spray on, because you're going to need two tables. You're going to need a wet table and a dry table. So you're going to need to double plastic your tables so that you can do the wet stuff there, and then you'll transfer it to a plastic covered table that's also covered in paper towels. So you're going to wet it. And as you do that, you'll start seeing the colors bleed. You can use this activity to teach how the colors go together, the color wheel. You can use this activity to teach about the patterns. I mean, there's so many things you can do. You can use this to make stained glass in your windows. But this is why I was telling you a no white space. So this is the first one, very first one that I did. And I just kind of went through with streaks. The light colors don't make a difference. It's just how much color you put on there that makes a difference. So you definitely want to do no white space, because as you can see, this one didn't bleed too well because there's a lot of white space. But this one, on the other hand, this one bled perfectly. So on this one, I did not use any white space, and I filled it all in. I even took other markers and dotted it through, so you can see the splotches all on it. I love it. It came out so perfect. So it's going to give you the cute little tie-dyed hearts, and this is also another thing. You could easily let it dry. So after you spray it, you set it on the paper towel, let it dry. You want to let it get that bone dry like it's never been touched. And then after that, you can write something on here, or maybe even put a little picture on here and send it to the one you love, or post them up in the windows of your classroom, of your learning center, your kitchen, wherever you homeschool, to let the light shine in the different colors. This could be used to teach about Noah's Ark and the rainbow. You could easily color this coffee filter like a rainbow and just spray it, and as it dries, that's when you can teach the Bible study lesson about God and the promises, how he will never flood the earth again. And you let that rainbow dry, and when they're done, they have a physical product that's showing them this is God's promise. God is not going to flood this earth. And so you can do so many things with those activities, but I use those two activities to teach on love today, so I thought I would share those with you guys. I truly hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will be back with some spring themed activities and books in next month. Bye.